my trusty steed. How's about a carrot? It's Squeaky!
Howdy, partners. Can I trust you with an important job?
Can dogs lay eggs?
No.
What?
Well, I'm shooting the cowboy movie. Could you keep an eye on this button for me? Anytime it's pressed, it makes everyone's costume change.
Ah!
So whatever happens, do not press the button. Got it?
Got it!
Vamos, partners. Everyone into costume. Yeehaw! Action!
Ain't seen y'all around these parts, cowboy.
Maybe you need glasses. Huh?
Hey, did you guys press the button?
We didn't not press the button. So in summary, yes, we pressed the button.
All right, but just don't do it again.
Ah! Well, fellow aliens, it seems we've crash-landed on Earth.
Yes, and I still look fabulous.
I'm gonna put the button right here so we can keep an eye on it, but not press it. I don't even want to press it. Yeah, no, me neither.
Quick! We gotta get to the farmer's market before the alien cowboys steal the treasure?
Guys, come on. I gave you one simple instruction.
Sorry, Peach. Okay, we're done. Our button pressing days are behind us. We better put it in a place where we can't reach it, since we clearly can't stop pressing the button. Sorry, what was that? I was too busy pressing the button. How about up there? Great idea. Hand me that bucket of glue. Don't worry, Makena. I'll save you. Ooh, bouncy. Oh, sorry. Sorry, Peach. We weren't even trying to press the button this time, but we still kept pressing it. It's got a hold over us.
And cut. That's a wrap. Good job.
Wait, what?
Oh, this was actually a movie about what happens when you tell people not to push a button. You two were the stars.
Well, I guess we've all learned an important lesson about buttons. Yes. What is it?